If you've watched my channel, you'll know that I have the MagBak Elite for the 16 Pro Max. I also have it for the S25 Ultra. So it's time to complete the hat trick. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So we have the MagBak Elite here for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, so let's check it out. Big shout out to MagBak for sponsoring this video. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. And here we go. So MagBak, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know MagBak pretty well packaged up this little unit. So here we have the Elite case here. We also then have the screen protector still intact. However, I will not be using the screen protector today because there's already a screen protector on this 9 Pro XL. So we're well covered. And then in the box, we also have the MagBak MagStick, which is a staple of the MagBak cases. So you can stick that in the likes of your car, you can stick it on the wall, you can do all those sorts of things, and you can literally stick your phone anywhere. And that is what's in the box. Also then, MagBak have sent me across the blue kit for the accents on the case, which we will install. So by default, the black comes on the case, but MagBak do lots of colours for these. They do blue, red, orange. Big thanks for sending that over as well. See here on the S25 Ultra, I have the orange kit installed here. So we will take this phone from black to this colour. So with the magic of YouTube. And there we go. So there is the blue kit on. So the good thing about this is you can totally customize this. So you can, say if you only wanted the grips or the buttons, for example, you could keep the black camera array, or if you wanted just the camera array, you know, you've got the black buttons here as well. So you've a full customization here. Or if you've any of the other colored kits, you can maybe do a mix and match. Right, so first up then we will just weigh this case. Weighing in at 48 grams. So this is around where the weight needs to be in these types of cases. This is bordering on being a rugged case as well as being a minimal case. So it's right smack in the middle. So it is pretty much where it needs to be. And if we just pop the phone into that case and then we pop that back on the scale, 279 grams. So that's what you'd be carrying around in your pocket. So there we go. So with the MagBak Elite, we have the awesome features. We have the ring pull here, which is awesome. So rather than sticking the likes of pop sockets and things like that to your phone, you can just use your finger here and look how strong it is. You can literally, look at that. Eh? I'm like a gunslinger. Look at that. This is a full bumper case. So we've got our cutouts on the top here for our microphone. And then all the way along the side, we've got our rubber grips here. On the bottom then we have our cutouts for our speakers, and we have our port cover here, which is also the pinky rest, which is very, very nice. So if you have a look at my pinky, this is the hand I hold my phone in, and yes, I have a sizable dent in my hand from holding smartphones. So it does make it more comfortable. Also can cover up that port, stop things getting into it. You know, if you work in like a dusty environment or things like that there, you've got a little port cover. So yeah, that's a good touch. And then we've got a lanyard loophole here on the corner, which is different because you normally see them on the sides or on the very bottom, but the fact that there's two of them and they're on the corners is different, but I ain't mad at it. Then we have our plastic molded buttons here, which are clicky, tactile, responsive. That's what you want to see. So we'll just do the fitment test then. So if we just take the corners here and we give it a twist, you can see, giving that phone a good twist, the phone is not popping out at all, which is what you want to see. So cases that don't have a good fit, they'll normally lift at the corner. So if it's in there, that's good. And then if we just do this test here, so if we just pop the case off, oh, that's a good click. Oh, that's a good click. Look at that. So that gives you an indication of how tight the fit is. So once it goes down onto your phone, you're well protected. And then the screen lip then, so if we look at the screen lip, so the lip does come up all the way around the display and it is consistent all the way around, so you are going to get that lift up flat protection. So if you set that down flat, it's going to lift that display up off the surface. And like I said previously, there is a screen protector on this phone, so you can give an indication there, even with a screen protector, you're still getting a really good lip, which is good to see. So the camera guard then, so the camera bar does not pop out of the array at all, so you do have that lift up flat protection as well. So you set that down flat, it's going to lift those lenses up. That's what you want to see. That's good. So this is a silicone type case, and yes, it is a smooth surface and it will pick up fingerprints, but you know yourself, if you pick up a microfiber cloth, you will be well covered. You know yourself. Even though this is smooth on the back, these rubber grips make all the difference. So when you're holding that in your hand, it is going to be firm and you're going to have a good solid hold of it. That is what you want to see. You don't want it slipping out your hand easy. And then you've got this added finger lip as well, so you'll not drop it. It is a MagSafe case, so we can do a MagSafe test. So just pop this on. MagBak's magnets have always been pretty good, so no pressure. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. So yeah, this stand weighs over 200 grams, so it take the full weight of the stand, and the stand takes the full weight of the phone. That's what you want to see. And then we'll just do the charging test. So we'll just plug that stand in, we'll pop that on. And there you go. So yeah, charging coming through there, no problem at all. So you know then that the coils are matched up with the phone. There's no magnets inside the Pixel 9 Pro XL, so it's solely on the case. So that's lining up, no problem. And as you can see, it's charging. There's no dropouts there at all. This case, like I say, is full of awesome features. So not only do we have the finger loop here, we have the kickstand, which is awesome. So if you want to set that up for watching content or set it up for a video call or whatever you want to use a kickstand for, I suppose. The kickstand is all magnetic as well, so it is full of features. Also, you'll notice then we have these two strips down the side here as well. And if we just take our magnet paper and we just pop that on, you can see all the magnets that's in the phone. So we do have the mag ring as normal, but then we have all these other additional magnets as well, which is pretty sweet. So that gives you options then. You can literally stick all of these phones onto anything that's metal. Right, so that then completes the hat trick. So there's the iPhone, the Pixel, and the S25 Ultra. I mean, these are great cases. They're full of functionality. You can literally take these. Say if you work on a job and you need to stick them. My own personal use case was when I used to do a lot of comms room fit outs. I used to actually stick my phone under the doors of the comms cabinets and comms racks. So if I was looking at like a wiring diagram or something, I could just get it up on my phone, stick it on. That was great. If you've got workouts on your phone, you go to the gym, you can stick it onto the machine. It's awesome. So that is the Elite case for the 9 Pro XL. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I will leave you an affiliate link to where you can pick this up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my affiliate links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So keep logged to the channel. If you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.